In this video, I'm going to show you how to export 1Password. So if you have all of your passwords in 1Password, you can easily export all of your password, your items, your vault, all of these details from 1Password. However, it's important to know that you cannot do this from the web version. The only way to do this is from the PC or the desktop version. So what you want to do first is go ahead and install that, and I'm going to show you how you can get that. So once you sign into the admin console of 1Password, click your account on the upper right and click and set up another device. And here you can download it for Windows or Mac or Linux, right? Once you set this up on your PC, all you'll have to do is download it, install it. Once you're in the setup process, it's going to require your email address, and it's going to also require your security key and your password. And this is easy to find. You click your account on the upper right, click on manage account, and from here you can find your email address and your security key and your password. You should know that as well. So once you have that, now you'll be able to sign into the desktop app. I'm going to show you the desktop application, what it looks like. And so once you're in the desktop application of 1Password, you just need to look to the top. You'll find three dots, click on it. And from here you have export. Hover over export and select your account. And so you want to enter your password now. So I'm going to enter my password right here. And from here, you can choose how you want to go ahead and export that. That could be a 1PUX format, or it can be a CSV format as you wish. Then go ahead and click and export, and you'll be able to choose where you want to save it. I'm going to just say downloads, for example. I'm going to leave it as is right in the downloads folder and click and save, and it's going to export it for me. And so once I do so, I'm going to click on show file, and it's going to now show me over. I'm going to show you right here in my file explorer. This is the file, or the CSV file. It contains all of those passwords from 1Password. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.